Hi everyone, this is Kazi Tohid from Agony Studios. So in this video, we'll see a small smart use of Flexbox to implement in some design elements when we developing our websites. So let's go in. So we are in the back end. So in here you can see in many cases we see that we have to use a image to achieve the design. We need to have these under a div. Like under this div we have the text, and this most of these are like components with parameters. So ignore that. So, but the thing is that when we do that, if the text number or the text is not right later, or the header is more than usually the design, if client change it, add 2 lines of text in here, it will change a lot. Okay, let's see if you go here and add this one. See, so it changes a lot. See, it changes, though these both are aligned, but this one is changing. What we can do like a height to it, like let's say 400 pixel. So see, this is now embed with it as a process. Okay, it's properly aligned, and we can have a differentiation like this. Like these are like maintained like that. Okay, but the thing is that this is not an ideal process, because if we add more content, let's say more content, it will break. Also, it will break on different skin sizes as well. So what is the actual solution in here? In this case we will use Flexbox. So let's remove the height. Remove. So what we'll do first, we will select div and select self flex. Then we will select fill space. So it will fill the space of this element, but it's not working. Why this is not working? But because this element is not flexed yet. So what we'll do, we will active the flex box for this element, and then this flex self flex will work regarding that element. So now, regardless, if you see, for this, regardless of more smaller screen, it will take that ratio, or a bigger screen, it will take the no problem with the height or any kind of thing. So this is how you can easily implement the flexbox to your elements regarding div, column, and other things, so that it's stays on place on any kind of screen sizes, and your design looks much better. Thank you.